Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brie if you're new, and today's video I am showing you my current morning routine. So updated from the last morning routine I did. Yeah, so let's get straight into it. Generally it takes a little bit for me to actually wake up, but the first thing I do when I wake up is say in my head, thank you for such a beautiful day and what miracles will you have me do today. The miracles thing is from Gabrielle Bernstein. The next thing I'm doing is grabbing my journal and looking for a pen apparently. And I write out my gratitudes for the day, I write out my affirmations and also my intentions. So how I write out my intentions is I'm so happy and grateful for blah 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 blah, whatever I'm trying to manifest into my life. Or whatever I am manifesting into my life. Yeah, so I do that. Then I flip to the front of my journal, which has all my mission statement for the year. So I read that to like remind myself what is gonna happen and like what I'm after, and then also my goals and intentions for the month, just to keep reminding myself, and also remind myself of my best self. The next thing I do is I grab the book Trust Life by Louise Hay. Love yourself every day, and it's just like daily little messages or prayers. The one from today is, I open myself to the wisdom within. In the infinity of life where I am, all is perfect, whole and complete. I believe in a power far greater than I am that flows through me every moment of every day. I open myself to the wisdom within, knowing that there is only one intelligence in this universe. Out of this one intelligence comes all the answers, all the solutions, all the healings, all the new creations. I trust this power and intelligence, knowing that whatever I need to know is revealed to me, and that whatever I need comes to me in the right time, space, and sequence. All is well in my world. Yes, they have different messages, either like a prayer or something to do every day, just to help build your relationship with yourself and with the universe, and just become a more spiritual, whole person. After that, my kitty is sleeping at the end of my bed, so I just lean over, give her lots of cuddles and kisses, and spend a few minutes just waking up, loving her, because, you know, single life where you gotta love is your cat or dog. Wish I had a dog as well this year. Yeah, so just cuddling my kitty. And then the next thing I'm doing as soon as I get out of bed, it's called my body, I read my passage from May Cause Miracles. So I read that, whatever the day's topic is, and then do the morning exercise, which is generally a prayer and then a minute in silence. And then I do the affirmation, and if I have to like program it into my phone for the day, I'll do that. So that's the next thing I do. Following that, I go get myself a big bottle or glass of water, and I'm listening to Abraham Hicks' Morning Rampage, because that really just sets the tone for the day, and it's like a morning prayer, morning mind food. So I listen to that, and then I'll make my bed while I'm listening to that, which is what you're seeing here.
Good within contrast, because I understand it. Good with my deliberate attention of focus, because I understand that. Better today than ever before, because I'm consciously setting forth my intentions at the beginning of this day.
So after I finish making my bed, I'm just, as the rampage is still going on, I'm just looking at my vision board and getting excited about that and like what's to come this year. Finishing my liter of water, because I like to start my day with a liter of water. Sometimes I put lemons in if I can be bothered, other times I don't, but lemons is always a good way to start. Yeah, just looking at my vision board, listening to the rampage, and finishing my water. Following this, I'm doing about 5 to 10 minutes of meditation. Either I'll do a guided meditation or on Insight Timer they have like a time part and you can choose the sounds and stuff. I'll do something like that with like the deep ohms, or I would just try and sit in silence for 5 to 10 minutes. I'm starting with 5 minutes and trying to like build myself up, just seeing if I can like actually be silent for this amount of time. So I do my meditation. Those are my pink shorts, by the way. Yeah, meditation is such an important part of my morning practice. And then following my meditation, I pull oracle cards. So there's 3 questions I ask myself, or ask the cards, the universe, when I am pulling. So the first one is, what is the theme of today? The second one is, what does my higher self want me to know today? And the third one is, what do I need to focus on today? Or like, what should I focus on today? So the first one I pulled today, which is the theme of today, is the Spiritual Strength card. The Spiritual Strength card says, this card is coming forth to give encouragement and remind you that you have the inner strength to complete whatever you've been working on. This final spirit card represents courage, discipline, stability, and persistence. You may be tired or weary from the struggle, but now is not the time to give in. Instead, tap into all of your inner reserves for that one final push to achieve the desired outcome. You've been through so much to get to this point, and even though you may have acquired some scars from the battle, you're wiser and stronger for it. The enlightenment you've gained will be an invaluable resource. You may also notice that you're experimenting with different things in your life at this time. All of these experiences feed your spirit and offer you knowledge for the future. The second card I pulled today, which was for what does my higher self want me to know today, is recognition and reward. This is a physical card, and it says, a reward for a job well done is what this card represents. It's a time of recognition for a completed project, hard work, skill, expertise, and craftsmanship. These abilities are now being honoured, but don't forget to also pay homage to yourself. Pat yourself on the back, you deserve it. This card also comes forth to represent a family or a group of people coming together, all of whom are aiming to and striving toward a common goal. Accept the help that's being offered. More possibilities are in the works, so be sure to lay a solid foundation from your past achievements, and this will help you be ready for the next opportunity. In addition, this card is a reminder to take care of your physical body. After all, it's what carries your soul around in this material world. And the final card I pulled today, which is also a physical card, is Prosperity Begins. This one was for what should I focus on today? It says, this card brings a message of beginnings, prosperity, wealth, and new business, which could soon be in the palm of your hand. It may result from your hard work, past efforts, and investments, or it could show up unexpectedly. It may even be presented as a gift. With careful and diligent planning, recent endeavors, and money-making ideas show great possibilities and promises of monetary gains. This is a time to focus on the most beneficial outcome. Expect the best and envision that project or new job having a successful result. Feel it, see it, and most important, believe it. When you focus on abundance and the positive aspects of the material world and offer gratitude, prosperity in all forms will flow even more freely. So that is my oracle card read. I try to do that most mornings because it's a great way to connect to my higher self and see what it's trying to tell me. I use the Psychic Tarot by John Holland. Following that, I like to stand in front of the mirror and tell myself, I love you and you're beautiful. This is a great self-love practice every morning. Following this, I am doing a meditation practice. I do Yoga with Adrienne's yoga routines. I was doing the Dedicate 30-day practice when I filmed this, and then I think I'm doing another one now. Yeah, so I just spend the morning, I like to start the day off with some yoga. And then following my morning yoga practice, I lie on the mat for a little bit longer and do some visualization. So most mornings I'll do visualization. I might script as well if I'm wanting to like something to occur. So like right now when this video is going up, I'm in Bali, so before this trip I'm scripting about being upgraded to business class or just having an amazing trip and amazing things happening. Yeah, so after that I'll usually do some form of exercise, whether that be go for a walk or go to a workout class or just do a workout at home. I've been doing well, I finished it now, but I've been doing the Fit for 10 28-day fitness guide, which was really good. Also doing like Alexis Ren's ab and butt workouts. They're great. Or I'll go to like Pilates class or something. Yeah, so I like to work out in the mornings because otherwise I know I won't do it. Yeah, and some mornings, if it's like more of a chill morning, I might read. If I'm reading like a personal development book, I'll like read and take notes from it. Otherwise I just like go shower, get ready, and then have my breakfast, which will usually be like a smoothie or avocado on toast, and then just get into my day. So that is it for today's video, my updated morning routine. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video gave you inspiration for your morning routine. I find morning routines is so important and beneficial, and just like a beautiful self-love ritual to start the day with. Please like and subscribe for videos from me every Tuesday, Thursday and most Sundays, and I will see you in the next video. Bye my loves.